Hi, my name is Kim Galbraith, and I'm a local business owner here in our community, proud parent of 3 children within the Huron Valley School District, and a member of the Huron Valley Promise. Historically, entrepreneurs looking to start a business in the state of Michigan have done so for many reasons, but our education system is one of key interest to them. Local business owners like myself look to the strength of our education system to strengthen our community and to help us to become successful in our businesses. In 2005 and 2006, I was a member of a parent group from across the state of Michigan. The topic as given to us by the state was simple: how do we produce a globally ready child? We had many discussions and many forums, but in the end it resulted in additional education requirements the following year for the incoming high school freshmen. Additional classes would be required in the areas of math, science, and language arts. One of the things I have learned from groups like this and from the Huron Valley Promise is that children are unique. No 2 children are the same, and neither are their educational needs. Their goals, their capabilities, their backgrounds, and their support systems are all different. And our school district needs to have the ability to teach to each and every one of these children. Our education system cannot become so watered down that it's simply a production line. Many of the funding issues going through the state right now affects every district, and it affects every child. But let me tell you why we are at exceptional risk here in Huron Valley. In 1995, Proposal A went into effect. And when Proposal A went into effect, we were a small rural community on the cusp of a population explosion. Today, we are the 6th largest district in Oakland County. However, we are funded as if we are one of the smallest. We are funded 24th out of the 28 school districts in Oakland County. Our achievements at the county and the state averages are above the average. However, our teachers are among the lowest paid. We have had to be fiscally responsible because we simply had no option. Over the last 7 years, we've made $23 million in cuts. Our teachers, our custodians, our food service, and our transportation departments have all made millions of dollars in concessions. Our staff already contributes to their health care, and we've closed 3 schools. Earlier this year, Governor Snyder put out a budget recommending a $470 decrease in per pupil funding to each and every child across the state. However, when you add in state-mandated pensions, lower property values, and increased health care, I'll tell you that number is not $470, but $1,294. $1,294 less in funding per pupil each and every year. I know in 1995, when Proposal A went into effect, it was designed that this funding would be for K-12 education only. However, part of the governor's reform is to increase community college and higher education funding in this K-12 budget. I am calling on you today to help me to write our legislators and to let them know that this simply is not acceptable. We can educate for less, but we will have mediocre results, and we will not graduate children who are globally ready. Please do not let Lansing balance the budget on the backs of our children. Please join us and write our legislators today.